Hello and welcome new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. Welcome to 2025. This is my first Dollar Tree of the new year, 2025. I hope everyone had a happy new year. I hope all your New Year's resolutions continue, right? We can start off with the Reed diffuser. I think last week I showed you a different one, and my Dollar Tree has this one, the Clementine Basil. It smells okay, and I'm just going to let you enjoy the video, and I may come back here and there. Since the new year is here and we need to start with a new beginning, how about reading? You see all these wonderful books that are only $1.25. Like this one about your weight, how to lose weight. We all want to do that in the beginning of the year. Help us guide us losing weight, and then other books that we can read, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. It's just $1.25 just to keep you going. Don't they say that you're supposed to read at least 10 minutes or 10 pages a day? So whatever one you can just get a book and read 10 minutes or 10 minutes a day. Let's try it. Besides trying to get healthy, we need to eat healthier. These are the quick 1-minute oats, 170 calories. It's just an idea. And next we have the single oatmeal. I think it's 2 flavors that they had. the apple and cinnamon, and the maple brown sugar. So if you want to eat oats, they have it ready for you to go. And then I turn around and show you something that's a little unhealthy, but it's okay. Just a little, not too much. Now it's time for our dollar plus section. It may include one, two, or even more dollar plus items for you to enjoy. We have all these spring fabulous find at the dollar plus section. There are so many to choose from. Just spring, there's Easter. It's fabulous. Oh, gorgeous. I love that $5 bike. It is so gorgeous. There's so many to choose from. And welcome. Now we're coming to the end of this Dollar Tree haul. I have so many different things in store for the 2025. I hope you enjoy everything. And make sure you just give me your like, your comment, tell a friend, family members, tell the world that Sweet Heavenly Dove is here to stay. And like I always say, be blessed until the next time and be better than yesterday.